Welcome to the Top 10 Kitchen Gadgets 2021. Make your life easy and better than previous.
Put a creative spin on your meals with the Chefman Electric Spiralizing Combo Kit. You get 3 blade styles, spiralize, ribbon, and grate. Equipped with a powerful 300-watt ultra-quiet motor, this Spiralizer and Immersion hand blender quickly purees sauces, mixes beverages, spiralizes vegetables, and more, making gluten-free, low-carb, and creative meals with just the touch of a button. Get the most out of your purchase with access to clubchefman.com for recipes, tutorials, and personalized help from a chef.
This is the Dash Safe Slice Mandoline. Mandolins are essential in any professional kitchen because of the way they guarantee uniform cuts and unparalleled speed. And this isn't just about making the food look pretty. Even cuts mean even cooking results. But until now, mandolins have been incredibly dangerous with an exposed blade that puts your fingers and hands at risk. Now, with the Safe Slice Mandoline, you can have all the benefits of a mandolin without any of the danger. The Safe Slice Mandoline provides a safer way to cut like a pro. Simply open the stand until it locks into place, and then dial in the cut you want. Our design prevents your fingers from ever going anywhere near the blade, making this mandolin the safest option for an expert slice. And with over 30 different cuts, you can effortlessly slice, julienne, mince, and much more. The mandolin makes it easy to create stunning side dishes and desserts for friends and family. From potato gratin to apple tarts to summertime salads, all of those look amazing when you use a mandolin. And with the Safe Slice, it's easier and safer than ever. Here at Dash, helping you eat better is our #1 priority. That's why we work hard every day to create high-quality products and healthy recipes, all with the customer support team based right here in the USA. So bring your cooking to the next level and safely slice like a pro with the Dash Safe Slice Mandoline.
Rushed mornings don't leave a lot of time for preparing breakfast. That's where the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker comes in. Now you can make a sandwich with fresh ingredients from home in under 5 minutes. Just choose your favorite bread, then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes. And when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plate out and you'll have a perfectly assembled breakfast sandwich. Cleanup is easy. All removable parts can go in the dishwasher and cooking surfaces are non-stick. A nutritious breakfast is possible with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Now that's good thinking.